garlic basil chicken rice casserole or garlic basil chicken rice bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice bowl recipes and one of the most unique of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most different of the chicken casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the chicken recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the basil recipes and one of the most unique of the garlic rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes. Today we're going to make garlic basil chicken casserole rice. We've taken around 450 to 500 grams of chicken thighs, cleaned thoroughly. Taken around 200 to 300 grams of basil, thoroughly cleaned and boiled. Put in the basil pieces into the grinder, close and grind well. The next ingredients are around 40 cloves of garlic, 1 onion cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger, and 1 tomato cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Marinate. You can saute. Garlic saute mix. Put in the garlic piece. Sauce the garlic piece. put in the ginger, put in salt taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly salt and mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Salt thoroughly. Salt thoroughly. Put in salt taste. In 1 spoon of mixture spices. Mix thoroughly. Now put in the chicken pieces, chicken thigh pieces. salt and curry. Until the mixture is nicely and hotly mixed. Now putting the basil that we ground. Curry and salt. Let it keep 300 ml of water. Mix. And close and cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Pour in 2.5 cups of water. Mix and let the mixture boil. Now put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook for 20 minutes. Now the garlic basil chicken rice casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic basil chicken rice casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the chicken recipes and one of the most different of the rice recipes and one of the most unique of the pilaf recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the basil chicken recipes and one of the most different of the basil recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic rice recipes. Like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.